the iPhone 15 now is released here in Japan. So today we're going to check out the prices of this new iPhone 15. So check out this vlog, guys. So what do we have here? This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is 6.7 inches phone size. Let's check this phone. So it says this can capture, it's very clear, 5 times zoom in a wide angle camera view. So yes, it's very clear. This is times 1, see? So times 4 times 2, and wow, amazing. Let's see. The camera lens is very nice. See? Let's put this to times 5. Wow, it's very clear, guys. Camera is very clear. See? Very clear. Very nice, very clear. This camera is very nice for vlogging. So that's why there's so many says that this phone is very good for capturing photos and making films and videos. So here is the price, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the new release here in Japan. So for the 256 GB, it's 236,940 yen. The 512 GB is 273,680 yen. So 1 terabyte is 305,910 yen. So there are only 3 types of memory capacity this iPhone 15 Pro Max released here in Japan. So yes, this is now, guys, the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is using the A16 Bionic chipset. So it's very fast and it's using USB-C port type now. So this is different from the old iPhone. So this is more better and very easy to use. And these have a longer life battery. So this is very great. So it's a little bit expensive, but of course if you have a budget, you can have this one. Probably for me, it's I like this one only for vlogging. I like the camera. See, it's very clear. It's totally different from what I have, and it can zoom and a very wide angle. See, this is already times 5. Still, it's very clear. So it's really amazing. The camera for this new iPhone 15 is really amazing one. So let's check the other release phones. So now let's go to the iPhone 15 Pro. This is the small one, 6.1 inch phone. You can still have the 3 camera on the back. So it's the same 48 megapixel camera. It's only small size. So I believe still very good for taking photos. It's really very clear. It's totally different from the iPhone 14. So really, see, zoom 2, zoom 3. Wow, it's really amazing. Times 5, see? It's very clear. It's very clear, guys. This is really amazing. So 48 megapixels. So let's check the price for this iPhone 15 Pro. So this is the price here in Japan. So now for 128 GB, you can see the price is 192,060 yen. 256 GB is 218,790 yen. 512 GB, 255,090 yen. And for 1 terabyte is 291,830 yen. So this is the price, guys, of the iPhone 15 Pro here in Japan. So the new one release. So this is the specs. Very nice. It's a small size. If you want a small size, this is okay. iPhone 15 Pro, still same 3 camera, only 6.1 inch. So now let's check the iPhone 15 Plus. So now you can get 2 camera on the back. So the same size, 6.7 inch phone. So same megapixel, 48 megapixel camera. So I think they are almost same. It's only the price different. So let's check the price, guys, for this one here in Japan. So the iPhone 15 Plus, for 128 GB, you can see 168,740. For 256 GB is 190,080 yen. And 512 GB is 230,890 yen. So this is the iPhone 15 Plus price. This small one, the iPhone 15, the 6.1 inch camera. The color is white, so you can get 2 camera on the back. So, but I believe still very nice camera, see? So no problem with this. So yeah, very good color. Oh, it's really great. So this size, if you love a small size, then this is okay. See? Very nice. Even the zoom, still very nice, this one. So let's check the price for this iPhone 15. So for iPhone 15 here in Japan, the price for 128 GB, memory is 149,490 yen. For 256 GB, it's 172,040 yen, and for 512 GB it's 212,300 yen. So this, guys, is the iPhone 15, the price here in Japan. So these are the new iPhone 15 here in Japan. This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. With titanium color, 6.7 inch screen size, and this is the iPhone 15 Pro, 6.1 inch size, black color. And you have the iPhone 15 Plus, another black color, 6.7 inch screen, and the iPhone 15 6.1 inch screen, white color. So these are the iPhone 15 available here in Japan. The new release 2023 iPhone 15. Guys, check nyo to, guys. Sure Access Pocket Wi-Fi. Very easy and comfortable to use. Ang kagandahan nito, wala na siyang plan, wala na siyang registration. Tapos, no need SIM siya. So, ang dali niyang gamitin. This is only 2,800 pesos. Available siya dito sa Japan at saka sa Philippines. Simply download the application online to your Google or Apple Play Store. Then load it any amount that you like. Then you're good to go. So, ang bilis niya, ang dali lang talaga niya. Available siya in 119 countries. Ganyan siya kaganda, guys. So, check out this, guys. Sure Access Pocket Wi-Fi. Thank you, guys. Pocket Wi-Fi, very affordable.